welcome back to London Dreams. If you are visiting Eastbourne, the Eastbourne Miniature Steam Railway is an absolute must-visit place, perfect for families, train lovers, and anyone looking for a fun day out. This hidden gem offers a beautiful steam train rides, a scenic park, a play area for kids, and even a lovely lakeside picnic spot. Plus, don't forget to check out the railway themed gift shop and the cafe for some delicious treats. Tickets are super affordable, making it a fantastic budget-friendly attraction. You can find more details including ticket price and opening times on their official website, which I mentioned in the description. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump into the magic of Eastbourne Miniature Steam Railway. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe the channel. See you soon in next video. Bye for now. Take care.